Skin assessment. The definition of skin assessment is a systematic inspection and palpation of the integumentary system, which includes the skin, hair, and nails. Its purpose is to assess the skin integrity and detect early signs of health complications. Its principle is using a systematic inspection and palpation while maintaining cleanliness. Good morning po, ma'am. I am Jennifer Francis H. Mabini, your student nurse for today. So, I will be the one who will assess your skin. Is it okay for you to, ma'am, na ako mag-assess yung skin, ma'am? So, okay. The reason I'm going to assess your skin is for us to find any early health complications, ma'am. So, first po, ma'am, I'm going to check your name po, ma'am. So, may I ask what is your name po, ma'am?
Jenica Wayne Hernandez.
Okay. So, what is your age po, ma'am?
13.
When is your birthday po?
November 10, 2012.
Okay. So, I'm going to start now, ma'am, ha? Good afternoon po, ma'am. I am Jennifer Francis H. Mabini, a student nurse for today. So, I will be the one who will assess your skin. So, is it okay for me, ma'am, na ako mag-assess your skin?
Yes.
So, the reason that I'm going to assess your skin po, ma'am, is for us to find any early signs of health complication. So, first and foremost po, ma'am, may I ask your name po?
Jenica Wayne Hernandez.
May I ask your age po?
13.
So, when is your birthday po?
November 10, 2012.
So, ma'am, I will now go start na ang pag-assess mong skin na, ma'am, okay? Ma'am, is it okay for you, ma'am, nga hawiran ako yung mga kamot, ma'am?
Yes.
So, I'm going to check your skin and your skin texture po, ma'am, okay? To find if there is any difference in color than the normal one po, ma'am. And to find any cuts, wounds, and bruise or lesions po, ma'am. Okay po, ma'am. So, I'm going to touch na po yung skin, okay? So, ma'am, I noticed that in your left hand po, ma'am, is na kay birthmark. And sa imong right hand po, ma'am, is na kay cuts po, ma'am. May I ask is, kamusta mo na siya? Kamusta mo na siya nakuha, ma'am? And asan mo na siya nakuha, ma'am?
Kahapon natadapak po ako sa daan.
Okay po, ma'am. So, ma'am, is it okay for ma'am, for you, ma'am, na ako ang i-press ang imong hands and feet po, ma'am, to check any edema, any signs of edema po, ma'am?
Yes.
Check po ko sa pikin mo naman. So, ma'am, I'm going to check your temperature po, ma'am, okay? check the heels and your elbows po, ma'am, to find any early signs of pressure ulcer po, ma'am. So, I'm going to touch your arms again po, ma'am, okay? Po. So, ma'am, I'm going to check your head po, ma'am. Your head and scalp and hair po, ma'am, to find the, ma'am, the hair quality mo, ma'am, and if there is any lesion sa inyong scalp po, ma'am. So, if okay, check na po, ma'am. So, far naman po, ma'am, is wala kay any signs of lesions, wala po kay mga kuto, ma'am, sa inyong mga ulo. So, I'm going to check your face naman po, ma'am, okay? Okay, ma'am. Naman naman po siya, ma'am. So, ma'am, I'm going to document all your kuan, ma'am, and so may results ani, ma'am. So let's us wait for the physician's order na lang po, ma'am. And don't worry po, ma'am, anything that is written in here po, ma'am, will be confidentially between you, me, and the physician po ninyo, ma'am. So thank you po, ma'am, for agreeing for you sa nag-assess ko sa inyo, ma'am. Thank you po.